Hey there, BMX enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a top-notch, high-quality BMX bike, then look no further. Introducing the Mongoose Legion Kids Freestyle Sidewalk BMX bike. This bike is perfect for beginner riders, both boys and girls, with its 16 20-inch wheels and durable high-10 steel frame. With a recommended rider's height of 4'4" to 5'0" and a 20 top tube length, the Legion 10 Lira is the ideal choice for those just starting out in the world of BMX. The single-speed drivetrain features a 170mm one-piece forged steel crank and a 25T steel chainring for smooth, reliable performance. Not to mention the wheelset, which boasts 20x2. 25 tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 36H rims, along with a 3/8 female axle front hub and a 9T cog sealed bearing cassette rear hub. And let's not forget the precision speed control provided by the steel U-brake and aluminum resin brake levers. Overall, the Mongoose Legion Kids Freestyle Sidewalk BMX bike offers an unbeatable combination of performance and durability. So if you're ready to take your BMX game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to elevate your riding experience. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting bike reviews and hit the link to grab your very own Mongoose Legion 10 Lira. Happy riding!